you and I are going to investigate some of the aspects of fireworks, and we have to be very careful. I have a fire extinguisher in the back standing by, made very small amounts of each material. And the first thing we're going to do is just burn some of the chemicals. You know what canned heat is? Flame we get from that. Now we can see them better if I turn out the lights. You put on your safety glasses. Good idea. You put some of that chemical in there to get that color.